In this video, we're going to show you how to make a Game Pass on Roblox, specifically on Please Donate. So to do this, launch Roblox and log into your account, of course. And then from the main menu on the top, click on Create. Click on Manage Experiences on the bottom, which you can see with the small pink square right there, which is right under the Start Creating button. Now, under My Creations, you will see the creation that Roblox Studio gives you by default. If there's nothing, then click on Create New Experience to make one. But if there is already one, you need to use the following step. From the main menu on the left, click on Passes. Under Create a Pass, click on Browse to upload an image. It can be any image on your PC. Give the pass a name and a description. Then click on Preview and Verify Upload. You should see the pass successfully created message. After that, click on the gear icon at the bottom right and click on Configure. Under Configure Pass, click on Sale. Toggle on the button for the item for sale, set a price, and hit Save. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. That's the bare bones basics. And then you can just toggle it and, like play with it to make it better. And it's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.